Hi, I am Simeon Okwo, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can make new posts, like when you make update on your Facebook, social media and all of that in the school website. Let's say as a department, you need to create an online presence concerning some activities you do from regularly in the school. So how do you create such post? And then how do you edit an existing page on the school website? Let's say as an admin on the school website. So I'm going to take you through this within the next few minutes. Obviously, the first thing, of course, is to log in. So I'm logging in now as a staff, and then I'll like to let me input my details. Okay, and quickly I would like to show you how to clean up your workspace on the website. You see all this, you want to clear them. Come and open this screen options, then disable everything, untick it, untick it, untick, untick. You see the dashboard looks cleaner now, and what is here, I can also get rid of it. Yeah, I have a cleaner dashboard to work with now. So if you want to make a post, of course you just click on post and then add new posts. Click on add new post. So you can give your post a title. Let's say the title of my post is chemistry today. Yeah. I can choose to edit with Elementor if I'm using a laptop, but if it is phone, Elementor won't work with it. So if it is just with phone, I can just type my details here, my whatever I want to talk about, chemistry today, what have you here, and let's say the world of chemistry today. I can take you around several chemistry labs from, let's say, yeah, from where you are, blah, 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 blah. So let's say, let me show you how to add a link, for instance. This is signed for link, adding of a link. Let me assume I want to add a link on virtual tour. Let's say this is related to virtual tour on the topic I'm discussing. I copy the link and then here I'm going to paste it here. I can do something, click on these settings. If I don't want the link to show at all, I just give it a label here. Just type here. So your readers are going to see, you can click here. So the here has the link behind it already. With that, you can just add whatever details you need to. You can make it bold. If it is, you can give it a heading. You see different style here. Okay, let me execute it. Let's say what is happening here. Okay, yeah, aha. You see it's bolder now. But let me make it, let me return it to the, you can choose any style here, but let me just leave it as simple as this for now. I can align to center align. You can just play around with these tools until you are satisfied with your content that you are writing, you have created. You can give it category once categories are created here. And you can add tags. Then of course you can add an image, a featured image. Let's say I need to upload, I can upload an image from my device related to what I'm making a post on. Let's say I make a graphic, so I downloaded from a particular page, blah blah blah, take a snapshot and all of that, I can make use of it. So I click on upload file, and then I can update that. I can upload an image there. Okay, so let me allow it load. You can see different images I have on my system here. I can just use the image I just uploaded, or even choose another image if I have another image better off here. So let me preview what I've done. You can preview your work, and is okay or not. You can make some adjustments. Let's go back and submit it for review. So we'll submit it, and the site admin will be the one to publish it. He will need to go through the content and then publish. So, but this is how it looks like. It's going to look like once published. So now let's see how to edit a page. First, I need to log in as a staff, specifically as an admin. It is the admin that can edit home page or many of the pages on the site. So I put my details as an admin, and then I'm in the dashboard. Now I need to go to the home page, and for me to go there, you see this address, solidrock-wp-admin. I need to remove that wp-admin. Yes, I'll remove it and then click enter. So what is going to load for me now is my home page. Yeah, this is the home page. So for me to edit this home page, for instance, I want to change the images, I want to change some write-ups there. I'll click on edit with elementor. Edit with elementor. So it's going to load the page that is editable for me. So it's going to look like this. On the left hand side, I have the tools for editing this page, and as you hover around over this page, you will see that it gives you sign that you can cut or edit. You see you see that it is not looking. You see it has sign of pencil, which means you can edit. If you click on it, you can edit. So there is, you can see the sign of pencil is there, which is telling you can edit it at that stage. Now I want to click on this. If I click on that, you see, for instance, okay, so there's no part of this place now that I can't edit in this place that I am now. Yeah, and so for instance, let's try and edit this. When I click on the center here, so I will be editing at my left hand side, and then the result will be reflecting on the right hand side. Mind you, you can only do this with a desktop, laptop, whatever, not phone. Phone can't do this. So let me change the image, background image, for instance. I'll click on style, then click on choose image here. It's going to load my media, so I can pick a new image here or upload a new image to replace what I'm having as background of my home page there. So let's assume I want to use this image. Click insert media. Let's allow it to load. Yeah, that is it. You can see the background image is changed. It's changed. And so there is no part I want to edit here that I cannot do. I cannot edit. I can change different dimension of it using all these parameters. You can just play around with it and see how it looks like. So for instance, I can check. What do we check there now? Okay, Let's see. Okay, for instance, I want to change the size, how it appears. I can adjust it here, adjust the style here. So let's say also just all these parameters that are here were the parameters used to build this page. You can just keep playing around with it until you see things for yourself, how it looks like, if you're okay or not. And then anything you are doing, you can click on update, the green button down there. It will update it. So I try to change something here now on that style. So I change it to, let's change it back to default. Say I want to edit. If I'm not okay with this yet, let me say I want to change it a bit. I can change. Yes. So you can see for yourself. Okay. Now let's do something. Let's see. This place here we have responsive mode. You need to check if what you are designing looks okay on will look okay on phone and on tab. For instance, when I click on the response and I click on mobile, this is how it will look like on phone. So if I'm not okay with it, I can do further adjusting either of the image or any aspect I'm editing until I see that it also looks beautiful on phone, on laptop, or I mean on desktop, as well as tablet. Yeah, well, I think this is okay already for as far as the phone view is concerned. But let's see any other need for the button here. It's looking okay. Okay. Let's do something. Okay. Now you can just check around and then see for yourself. Now let's check it how it looks like on tablets. Oh, you can see it's also looking very beautiful on tablets. Mind you, this as we've taken time to work on this before it appears this way. So this is okay. This is okay. Well, what is here now? The button, for instance. It has a link up there, URL. You can change or edit, add it if the need arises to change it later. So let's go back to desktop. You see, each of these is editable. Each is editable. There's nothing here that cannot be edited. Yeah. So the person who is to edit just need to use his or her initiative and then update it to his or her taste. You can see all of these, they are all editable. So as you do your editing, you click on update. Each editing you do, you click on update, and as you are updating it, it's going to be appearing on the live side. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Enjoy yourself.